Okay, everybody, here we are. It's time for these puppies to go home. I know a lot of you coming Saturday, actually. A couple people tomorrow, and the rest on Saturday. Maybe one person Sunday. Here. So we just microchipped everybody. Look at the beautiful rose nose. Look at you. So sweet. Okay, she's 256. The big hammy boy is 854. That's 854 right there. You, the little small, I think that, I don't know. That's 795. What are you? Elouise, sleep, Daddy. You are a girl, I think. 7. Girl, I think. Pretty sure. You're kind of curly, huh? Curly. You are curly. Who are you? You're 022. That's 795 again right there. And this is 348. 348. Who are you? 015. That's 015 right there. 015.
Hi, 015.
Not sure if we got everybody. 015. 854. The ones that are coming to me. 256 is the rose nose. That's coming in. You that don't come. Oh, now you're just gonna look at my feet, huh? 346. That's 346. 346 right there. Who's the curly? 022. Curly. You are curly. There's a hammy boy. Hi over there. Look at you, way over there. Are you feeling a little shy today? Let's see who you are. You're blocking Daddy's feet. That's 795. 795. They got so big. My goodness, they're so big. You're so big. I know you. I know you. That's you. 346 right there. 346. I should go the other way. The sun. Change the rather. This is too much light. Oh, pups. Oh, pups. Oh, pups. Hello, puppies. I don't know why it's having trouble. This is the vaunted Samsung phone. It's supposed to be the best camera ever. Every sales associate tells me that. The best phone ever. Goodness, it's big. Okay, what you got? You're 022. And you, 345. 346, actually. There's a, yeah, 346. Hi. This is the little one. You are the little one. You're 795. Little girl. And the rose nose beauty. 256. And 022. And 346. Well, that'll give you a little idea when you come to choose. Hi, oops. Hello, beautiful. They're really nice. Really very nice. This camera's just dying in the sun. There we go. Everybody's so happy. Happy puppies. Hi, happy puppies. We should give them some more kibble maybe, huh?
2 empty bowls. Goodness, let's get the kibble. Let's get the kibble. Oh, let's see how that works. What you doing? So pretty. You have a pretty face. Very pretty face. Yes. Just very peaceful puppies. Peaceful puppies. Look how pretty you are. Like a big pharaoh. Puppies. Here comes the food. Go ahead and lay down.
Uh-oh. Where's Elouise? Everybody behave. They're just gonna maybe play with it. They might end up just playing in the food, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, well, we'll take it back up if they're not interested.
Get that fat face.
Alright, guys, we will see you starting tomorrow. Call me if you have any questions.